All right. So I was browsing through my old artworks when I found this, and I think I drew this 2 years back, like back in 2024, and I got a really bright idea that I should try redrawing this with the skill that I've got now. And I don't know, just to see how much I've improved and if it looks any less cringy than what it already is. So let's just get into it. Starting with the background, I think I was trying to draw the interiors of a car as if she's, sitting in the back seat of a cab, but this doesn't look like one. Like when you have this idea but you're not able to create it because you don't have the skill yet, yeah, that's what it looks like. About the necklace, I think I'll keep it that way. I love how it's very striking and has this laser thingy. I don't know how to explain this, but I like it. I'm just gonna keep it. I'm just gonna, I think, make it a little bigger than before, so that it comes into notice. And about this girl, I have a lot to say about her face, particularly her nose, because her nose literally looks as if it was done in just one stroke, which it was obviously, because I'm quite lazy when it comes to noses, but I'm gonna fix it in this polishing session or whatever this is. And I'm also gonna fix her shitty face proportions. Her eyebrows are like hella asymmetrical. They're both literally on different floors, dude. Her eyes look a bit drunk and chin is a bit too pointy. So yeah, there's a lot of room for improvement. The blood looks cute, like not good enough, but cute. That was supposed to be like the blurred view of the city from inside of the car, but yeah, I couldn't capture it the way I wanted it. Quite sad. I just got this picture from interest. I meant Pinterest. What the fuck, as my reference, because nah, I'm not gonna use my own brain for this. looked at this for the first time after 2 years, my first thought was literally like, I had the courage to post this on Instagram. What the fuck, dude? Seriously. But whatever, we are getting back on track. Bro's just yapping now. About the lighting, well, I like the idea. I have no constructive criticism as such, but yeah, that's what. I wasn't being able to match my own vision, and it's quite annoying. Okay, so it's done. This is the final result. I don't know. I think I'm afraid I took away her natural light. Because the old one looks way more pink than what I just did, and I can definitely get better with the face. But I think overall I did what I had to do. That was polish the old one. So, mission accomplished successfully, and thank you for rolling with me till the end. I'll see you in the next one, which I don't know when that is. Yeah.